Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will discuss how to work with Modal windows in Titan Forms 2.0. A Modal window is a pop-up or pop-over window that disables the main window behind it. If you want to add a Modal, click the plus, search for Modals, and drag a Modal onto the page. We can resize this Modal. Notice how it now shows in the layer list, and you're going to want your layer list open when you're working with the Modal to facilitate access of it. Just go to View, Show Layer List, and there's your Modal. We'll go ahead and click on the gear, and we'll give this one a name, My Modal. Notice how, by default, the Modal comes with an autofit container to help align the elements that you add to it. Let's add a couple of elements. I'll just add a header. Let's add a couple of text inputs, a text field, a text area. Now we'll cover how to show and hide a Modal. You will do that using an action element. So let's go ahead and add a button to this page. We will add it onto the Modal, and we'll call this button Hide Modal. We'll go into this button's action, and we will add an action node. Just search for the Modal element, click on Next. We will enable this, and we will select our Modal, My Modal. You could have more than one. This will help distinguish them. And there are a number of actions that you can take and assign to this node. Show the Modal, hide the Modal, toggle it between shown or hidden, reset the state, which resets all fields on the Modal to their default, and then setting the custom title. We're going to set this one to hide. I'll give it a tag, hide the Modal, and we'll go ahead and save that. And now we need to add a button onto our main page to show the Modal. Notice how when we were in the builder, this Modal is always showing. So this is why it's helpful to have the layer list open, because this Modal can get in the way and you can't really move it around. What you can do is hide it. In the layer list, look for the Modal and click the eye icon, and it's now hidden. So we'll add a button to the main page. Let's call this Show Modal. Then we will go to that button's action, and again we will add a Modal node. We will enable this and select the appropriate Modal. In this case, we again only have one. And this time we want to show the Modal. And we'll call this node Show Modal. Let's save that, and we'll go ahead and preview it. And just for demonstration purposes, I'll go ahead and show the Modal again in the builder. Now, notice how when we preview, even though the Modal was showing in the builder, it's not showing when it loads. It is hidden by default on load. So if we want to show the Modal window, we will click Show Modal. The Modal window will open. If we want to hide it, you can either click the X up in the corner or click the Hide Modal button where we set the Hide Modal action. And that is how it's done.